A very happy good day, children. AP Samagra Shiksha is providing online classes to us, so we can utilize the classes and learn our lessons. Today we are going to teach about the selfish giant part 2. In previous classes, our respected madam completed part 1, selfish giant part 1 lesson. What is in theme of selfish giant part 1? You know, children, uh, the giant was very selfish and he did not allow any children to play in his garden. Then what happened? The children did not enter in the garden. Why? Because the giant put a notice board in front of his garden. What is that? The notice board is trespassers will be prosecuted. That means do not allow into the garden. Then in his garden, what happened, children? There is no summer, no winter, no spring season. All the seasons are in his garden is snowy. That means winter. Everywhere the star, wind and the snow. That means mist. Okay, children? Let's start our lesson. One morning, the giant was lying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music, and it was the singing of a little linnet. Children, what happened? One morning, the giant was lying awake in bed. He heard some lovely music. What was the music? The singing of a little linnet. Linnet means here the bird, the singing, sweet singing bird. The singing bird is singing. Little linnet is singing a song. That was heard by giant. He awakened from the sleep. He saw the little children sitting under the branch of a tree. He was very surprised. Why he was surprised? He put a notice board in front of his gate. Don't come in the garden. How the children come into the garden? He saw the children sitting under the branch of a tree. They had entered through a small hole in the wall. How they entered into the garden? The children were very playful. They entered through a small hole in the wall. Where is the wall? The compound wall of garden. They entered the small hole through the small hole in the garden. The spring arrived in the garden at last to express its happiness on seeing the children again. Then what happened, children? The spring arrived along with the children. In previous class, we already told that there was no spring season, there was no flowers in his garden, there was any time a small snowy rain. So, what happened in the lesson in our part 2? The spring arrived in the garden at last to express its happiness. The spring expressed its happiness on seeing the children again in the garden. The garden was very happy and to express their feeling of happiness. The happiness expressed by the spring season. Here, the seasons, the air, the wind, the star, the north wind, etc. These are all the seasons symptoms, but in the lesson, Oscar Wilde expresses the expressions of the season. Okay, got it, children? The spring arrived in the garden at last. When did the spring come into the garden? When the children entered through a hole and then the spring arrived. Where is the children? Then there was happiness there. The spring arrived in the garden at last to express its happiness on seeing the children again. The trees were glad and started blooming. That means flowering. The trees gives us flowers. Okay, the trees were glad. Glad means happiness. Right, children? When the lesson continues, you write the running notes. Wherever you can't understand the words, I will explain the meaning of the words and write it in your running notes. The trees were glad and started blooming. Blooming means, I already told that, flowering. The trees were glad with happiness and gives us blooms. The birds began to sing. The birds began to sing. When the flowers are in the garden, the birds are very happy and began to sing. He saw a little boy who was struggling to get to the top of the tree in the farthest corner of the garden. Who was he in the lesson? Yes, the giant. The giant saw a little boy. A little boy. He was the key role of our lesson. Little boy who was struggling to get to the top of the tree. The little boy wanted to climb the tree. But he can't. Why? Because he was so little. Got it, children? He saw a little boy who was struggling to get to the top of the tree. He wanted to climb the tree, but he can't. The farthest of the corner of the garden. Where is the tree? The corner of the garden. Corner means mola anamata. The giant helped him reach the top of the tree. The giant came and helped the little boy to climb the tree. The giant realized that he had been selfish. The giant became realized. Realized means that means he wanted to express his own feeling. That means the giant realized that he had been selfish. He thought that he was very selfish in previous days. Then he realized how I was very selfish and I was very sorry about the children. When I annoyed them, I angry with them. So I wanted to sorry with the children. The giant realized that he had been selfish and was very sorry for what he had done. What he had done? He locked the doors and He put a notice board and trespassers will be prosecuted. Entire the things are very wrong. So he was very sorry for that, what he had done. Understand, children? The giant realized he had been very selfish and very sorry for what he had done. He allowed the children to play in the garden every day. Every day he allowed the children to play in the garden every day. He picked up the board and throw it away, and he was very happy, and he allowed means permitted. He allowed the children to play in his garden every day. The little boy stretched out his two arms and flung them around his neck and kissed him. The little boy, who was a very key point in our lesson, the little boy was very stretched out to arms, two arms. Two arms means like this. He stretched out his two arms and flung them around the neck of the giant. That means hugging. Kissed the giant. Okay, children? Every afternoon, the children came and played in the garden. Every afternoon, the children came and played in the garden. The children were very happy. Why? Because they had a ground. They had a garden to play. And the children were very happy. But the little boy stopped coming into the garden, and the giant was very sad. Why? Because the little boy changed the giant. He kissed him and he hugged him. But the children were very happy to come and play in the garden. But the little boy didn't come. And he stopped coming to the garden, and the giant was very sad. Why the little boy did not come to my garden? He thought like that. And he was very sad. Many years passed, and the giant grew old and weak. The giant was very old and weak. Many years passed. The giant was very old and weak. One winter morning, the giant saw the same boy under a tree. The giant saw the little boy, the same boy, under a tree. One winter morning, the giant saw the same boy, the little boy, what we had told in previous. The little boy, he was under a tree. He ran down to the boy in joy. The giant ran down and to catch the boy. The little boy was an angel. He was an angel who had come to take the giant to the garden of paradise. The little boy was an angel, like God. The little boy was an angel who had came to take the giant to the garden of paradise. When he entered, the old giant, the selfish giant in our lesson, he realized and he allowed to play the children in his garden. And some years later, the giant went to paradise. That means heaven, Swargam anamata. The little boy was the god of angel, the angel who had come to take the giant to his garden of paradise as a reward for letting him play in his garden. Why? Because he taken to his garden of paradise, the giant was let him to play in his own garden. That's why the little boy, that means angel, happy. He was very happy to take him with his paradise of garden. Okay, children? That is the lesson, children, the selfish giant part 2. How the ending of the lesson, very happy. He went to the paradise, that means heaven. That is the lesson, children. Once again, we repeat the lesson with pictures. Okay, children, the selfish giant, how look at him? He was very big and very angry with the children. Okay, children, he has a gigantic castle. Look at the castle, children. Castle means a large building. Castle. Look at the spelling. Castle. That means castle. T should be silent. Castle. That means large building. He had a gigantic. That means very big. Gigantic castle. In the castle, in front of the castle, there was a beautiful garden. Look at the children. Look at the garden. However, the most special thing about this giant was not his castle but his garden. The garden was very beautiful with the flowers and flowers like children. Okay, children? Then, the garden was also perfect for children to play in. Look at the picture, children. Look at the picture. They were playing. All children are playing together in the garden. One summer's afternoon, the giant returned to his garden. When he entered in his garden, the children were playing, and he shouted at him, all of you get out from my garden. This is my garden. He shouted like that. He was very selfish at that time. Okay, children? And bellowed at them to get out. He shouted. Next. The next morning he got up and built a high wall all around the garden, for he was a selfish giant. In our previous classes, we already told that he built a compound wall like this around the garden. He was very selfish. The colors of autumn came and went. When he built a compound wall, he put a notice board, and the children were not coming to the garden, and he did not allow the children. So, the colors of autumn came and went. Then a strange thing happened. What happened in his garden, children? Everywhere, as spring turned into summer outside of the wall. Outside of the wall, all seasons were come and go. Summer, winter, spring, rainy, every season were come and go. But in his garden and in his beyond the wall, in his garden, there was no spring season. There was no summer season. Only remained as a winter. Look at the children. As spring turned into summer outside the wall, within the giant's garden, it remained winter. Only winter in his garden. No flowers, no birds singing, and no children. Everywhere was silent, like a snow. Okay? Look at the children. Look at the picture deeply. Only in his garden there was this winter, there was snow. Surrounding of the corners there were all seasons are there. Summer, spring, winter, fall. Okay? In his garden like this. While outside of the garden the seasons came and went, inside of the garden winter would not release her grip. Winter didn't go from his garden. Okay, children? When he heard a sound, we already told that, when he heard a sound from the sleep, he followed the sound to far the corner of the garden, where he found some children playing happily. They were playing happily. Why? Because they entered into the garden through a small hole of the wall. In this garden of the garden, just this corner, the birds were singing. Where the children were playing, that corner only become greenish, and the birds were singing, the trees were giving blossoms. And the garden was beautiful again. Okay, children? That evening, the garden was filled with the sound of happy children playing. The garden was sounding with chips, that means like sounds, sounds like birds singing sounds, and children playing, and they are loudly crying, etc. Okay, the sounds of happiness of children playing. The giant lay back finally contended, "It is your garden now, little children," he said like that. "This is your garden now. This is your garden, children. This is no more my garden. This is no more my garden. This is not my garden. This is your garden, children. Come and play. Come and play, and regularly you can play in the evening time, and this is your garden," he told like that. Finally, what happened, children? The little boy smiled and said that once he had allowed the boy to play in his garden, but the day he had come to invite the giant to play in his garden, which is the paradise. We already told that the little boy was playing. He didn't climb the tree. He wanted to climb the tree, but he didn't. Then the giant helped him to climb the tree. After some years, the boy was not coming to his garden. The giant was very sad. Why? Because the little boy was not coming to his garden and playing in his garden. The little boy smiled and said, one day he come to in his garden. The little boy smiled and said that once he had allowed the boy to play in his garden, but that day he had come to invite the giant to play in his garden of paradise. The boy was, we already told, the boy was an angel. He invited the giant to come along with him and play in his garden of paradise. And when the children ran into the garden, they found the giant lying dead under the tree, and was all covered with white blossoms. All children are playing, but in the corner of the garden, the little boy and the giant was conversation. What was that? The little boy was invited the giant to come along with him and play with him in his garden of paradise. Then, what happened, children? The giant was dead, and go along with the children. The little boy. And when the children ran into the garden, they found the giant lying dead under the tree, and all was covered with white blossoms, white flowers, and his body was covered with blossoms. Okay, children, you got it? Yes. Now look at the author, about the author. Oscar Wilde, 16th October 1854, 30th November 1900. Was an Irish writer and poet. He was an Irish writer and poet also. After writing in different forms throughout the 1880s, he became one of the London's most popular playwrights in the early of 1890s. Today, he is remembered for his epigrams and plays. His plays were very famous. We remembered him as epigrams and plays. Oscar Wilde is best known for the novel The Picture of Dorian Gray and the play The Importance of Being Earnest. In his novels, this is the most epic and important and famous novel. What was the novel? The Picture of Dorian Gray. The Happy Prince and the Other Tales, the collection of the children's stories. He mostly write in children playlets. Okay, children? Look at the glossary, children. Glossary. Linnet bird. Linnet, Linnet, linnet bird. A small brown and grey colored bird. It sings very sweetly. Write it, children. Linnet bird. That was noun. In brackets, N is noun. V is verb. Identify the children. Identify the bracket letters. Linnet bird. చూడండి linnet bird పక్కన n ఉంది బ్రాకెట్లో. అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు దట్ వాజ్ ద నౌన్ ఫామ్ అని అర్థం. ఓకే, linnet bird. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ linnet bird? The brown and grey color bird. Hall. Next word is hall. Sorry, hail. Hail. H-A-I-L. Hail. That was also noun. Small balls of ice that fall like rain. మనం చూస్తాం కదా మంచు వర్షం అంటాం. స్మాల్ బాల్స్లా పడతా ఉంటాయి పైనుంచి. దాన్ని హెయిలింగ్ అంటాం. హెయిల్. ఓకే, హెయిల్. స్మాల్ బాల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐస్ దట్ ఫాల్ లైక్ రెయిన్. నెక్స్ట్, సీజ్. C-E-A-S-E, seas. That is verb. Children, identify the V in the bracket. V, that means verb. Cease, that means stop happening. We already used that word, cease. Cease చేసేసారు షాపు, cease చేసేసారు కాలేజ్, some ridiculous happen. Cease means closed, stopped happening, stop happening. Next, twittering. Twittering also verb. Making a series of short, high sounds. You already know that the social media of children, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Twitter means a chirping sound of a bird. Chudandi, making a series of short, high sound. Just alert anamata. Twittering. Alert chase sound, high sound. Making a series of short, high sounds like bird. Twittering. Sneeze. Sneeze also a verb. Suddenly expel air through the nose due to irritation in one's nostrils. Nostrils, you know children, nostrils. ఈ నోస్కుండే హోల్స్ని నాస్టిల్స్ అంటాం. తెలుగులో అయితే తుమ్ములు అంటాం. ఇరిటేషన్ వస్తుంది కదా, ఇరిటేషన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు తుమ్ముతాము, ఇలా స్నీజింగ్ చేస్తాం. స్నీజ్. వెన్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇరిటేషన్ ఇన్ అవర్ నాస్ట్రిల్, వీ స్నీజ్డ్. ఓకే, స్నీజ్. ఫీబుల్. ఫీబుల్, దట్ ఈస్ adjective. Adjective. Lacking strength, weak. That means weak. In our lesson, the giant was feeble. At last, some years later, the giant was very old and feeble. Lack of strength. That means he lost his all strength and selfish, etc. He was very weak. He grew old and weak. Next, children. Hark. Hark, that means verb. Like in our usually use in English, has. I has, he has. You chestam kada? Has. Hath means has. That is the vocabulary, children. I hope you are all understand the lesson. Once again, you can read the summary or theme, whatever it means. Once again, read the paragraphs on screen, children. One morning, the giant was lying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music, that was the singing of a little linnet bird. He saw the children sitting under the branch of a tree. He saw the children sitting under the branch of a tree. They had entered through a small hole in the wall. The spring arrived in the garden at last. The spring arrived in the garden at last to express its happiness on seeing children again. Children, exam lo manaki adigi questions levu. When the spring entered in his garden. When the spring entered in the garden అని అడుగుతారు. అడిగేటప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఏం రాస్తాం? When the spring saw the children playing under the tree and the happiness of children, the spring entered in the garden. Like that. Okay? The trees were very glad and started blooming. In all seasons, the trees were like that. The trees were they covered with snow. They are not blooming. But when the children was coming and playing, the trees were started to bloom. The birds began to sing. When the blooms, that means flowers, when see the flowers, the birds began to sing. He saw a little boy who was struggling to get to the top of the tree in the farthest corner of the garden. We already told that the little boy who was an angel, okay, he wanted to climb the tree, and he was in the corner of the garden. The giant helped him to reach the top of the tree. The giant helped the little boy to climb the tree. The giant realized that he had been very selfish. All these days I was very selfish. He feels like that. And was very sorry for what he had done. Feels very sorry. క్షమాపణ పొందడం అన్నమాట. పిల్లలు రానివ్వలేదు కదా చిల్డ్రన్ని గార్డెన్లోకి. He feels very sorry for what he had done. He scolded and he cried at the children, etc. Okay? He allowed all the children to play in his garden every day. Every day he allowed the children to play in his garden. The little boy stretched out his two arms and flung them around his neck and kissed him. The little boy hugged the giant and kissed him. Okay? Every afternoon the children came and played in the garden. The children were very happy, but the little boy stopped coming to garden and the giant was very sad. All the children were coming and playing, but the little boy was not coming to his garden. He stopped coming. And the giant was very sad. Why? Because he was very liked him. He liked the little boy. Many years passed and giant grew old and weak, feeble. Children got it? Old and weak. That means feeble. Many years passed and the giant grew old and weak. One winter morning, the giant saw the same boy under the tree. After some years, he saw the same little boy under a tree. He ran down to the boy with joy. In joy. Joy means happiness. He happily ran down to the boy. The little boy was an angel who was come to take the giant. He was an angel he was angel who had come to take the giant to the garden of paradise as a reward for letting him play in the garden. What is the work done by the giant? Why? Because the giant went to the paradise. He was very selfish, we know. But at last, some years later, the giant was realized. He led the children to play in his garden. He allowed the children to play in his garden. That is the action loved by the angel. That action must be loved by the angel of little boy. Then he happily invited to the paradise. He happily invited the giant to his paradise, and they were playing in the paradise. Paradise means heaven, Swargam. Okay, children, this is the lesson, the selfish giant part 2. I hope you are all understood the lesson, and write down the page. You can take out the screenshot of this page on screen and write it down. Glossary also you can take the screenshot. Okay, children. Bye. Myself, K. Harita from Algota KGBB. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.